traders, I'm going to show you market update video. Actually, we can see a screen top. We can see a top in tail candle. Actually, top in tail candle describe you market is very bearish. This is the all-time high, and top in tail candle. There is a everyone see a bull flag this area, but there is a hidden bear flag. So we can see hidden bear flag. If the bear flag work, market can be reach this level 100 110. Actually there is a CME gap. We can move to CME chart. This one we can see a 115 114. There is a CME gap and 90 92,630 and 92,035. There is a CME gaps, and market can be reach this level or this level. As I think market can be reached obviously this level. And next move to BTC chart. That is about BTC market update. There is a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence formed previously. See bearish divergence. And this point to this point. There is a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. We can get a trade entry short position and this level and top in tail week 2 above week and this area 100 1 to 1 to 5 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio there is a, and we can enter this level. There is a trading opportunity. We next move to the Ethereum chart. Ethereum is Ethereum. We can move to weekly chart. You can see a trend line, and trend line market. If the market hit the trend line, and we can enter the short position, and there is we can see a confirmation that level. If they reach the trend line, and we can enter the short position. Next move to the Solana chart. Solana is going up, and Solana we can see volume is increase. Solana Ethereum volume is decrease. Solana volume increase. That is not a trading opportunity. Next, XRP in the all-time high. Next, actually I don't USDT chart market. If the market can be reached this level, I enter the short position. I am in daily time frame. This is not a financial advice video. We can studio ratio and 1 to 5 studio ratio, 1 to 3.5 studio ratio, and we can enter the short position. We can enter the long position and this level. You can mark this level. So yeah, next AVAX. Surely we can see a AVAX rising wedge pattern. Actually, as I think this is a rising wedge pattern, not I predicted this pattern, this level, and move to up and down, and market can be down. Next, link not a trading opportunity. Dot, as I think dot is a rising wedge pattern. So there is a trading opportunity, as I think a short position this level. This is can level 1 to 1.5 RR, 1.1 to 1.5 RR. We can use. This is a inside bar. There is a bearish candle and this is a inside bar. You can see this is an inside bar pattern, and we can enter the trade. You can use low leverage. There is a trading opportunity. Next, Litecoin. If this candle is a very bearish candle, we can see a bearish candle and can enter the trade. There is actually bearish RSI signal. Line chart 10. We can see a bearish RSI signal this level. There is a shorting opportunity. Next, it's near. There is no trading opportunity. Next, unit token. Hold. It's no COMP. Actually, I entered the trade this level COMP, and I I pay. I close the trade and this level. We can see a good chart. We can very predicted chart. This level to move and up move, and reach down move, up move, down move, now up move. ICP trading opportunity. So TIA coin. There is no trading opportunity. Actually, welcome to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Comment below.